Well, here we are at Max's Garage Mahal. We got a brand new suction cup magnetic phone mount that we're going to start using. Let's thought we'd show it to all you guys, see what you think. Leave your comments below. All right, there's the box it comes in. It's Volport suction cup magnetic. This is what she looks like. Actually, a really solid built little setup. That's what she looks like with a phone on it. Like I said, very heavy duty, works very nicely. And there we are, shooting a video of me videoing me shooting a video of you guys. All right, so it's a great looking job. It extends. Let me show you some other features. Extends way out like another 4 inches or 5, something like that. Gets it right here where you can reach the phone. And again, does a really nice job. It moves up and down like that, moves in and out like that, and it has several features to it I think you'd really like. I'm not going to put the price up here, but I did pick it up from Amazon, and it is a great little product. So if you guys looking for one of those things, Volport on Amazon. It does require a little assembly from the box. All you need to do is put this little magnetic phone mount on this ball, tighten up the nut, and it's ready to go. And here you've got a suction lock. It comes with a adhesive base as well, so that not only do you have to support or depend upon just the suction, this magnetic or this suction base has a very strong, believe me, very strong adhesive bottom on it. So it comes with 3 metal inserts, and mine is inserted into the base of the phone between the case and the phone itself. And I mean, it is really strong, and those magnetic inserts will fit several different phones, including action cameras, GoPros, Instant X360s, such as that. So again, if you need one, I picked this up from Volport right there on Amazon. Thank you for watching.